Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Kaspa holders. Appreciate you guys as always. Let's waste no more time and see what's happening with the price of Kaspa right now. So as far as the broader market is concerned, I'm sure you guys can tell, we're seeing pretty much a major retracement for the broader market over the last 24 hours, double-digit drop for multiple coins, but a continuous reminder, you guys know your boy Crypto ZX will continue to remind you guys and have you guys focus on the bigger picture rather than the short-term, a little bit of a choppy price point that we're seeing right now. But let's not forget, what's happening with the crypto space over the course of the last 1 month. Extensive amount of green pretty much throughout the board. And remember, correction is healthy. It is part of the game. Nothing's going to go up straight forever. It's not sustainable. So, of course, that is something we need to kind of take away from there. But also, we need to keep in mind, market's not just going to continue to go up forever. There's going to come a time where you do see the market top. So this is where your exit strategy needs to come into play. I personally believe, in my honest opinion, not financial advice, I think we have a lot of room for upside for altcoins because we haven't really seen what a lot of people have been anticipating, but we're just starting to see a small impact of what is yet to come. But let's take a look at the last 1 hour. If you're looking at the last 1 hour, the market has gone back into the green a little bit. Hopefully this momentum carries on, but I want you guys to pay very close attention to the dominance. As we know, it has spiked up quite a bit over the course of the last 24 hours. But if you're looking at Kaspa down about 10.6% in USD and about 10.3% in Bitcoin comparative. Price is currently sitting at 10 cents. Valuation $2.6 billion. 24-hour trading volume at about $161 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I'm not going to bore you guys with the overall charts in terms of the dominance. We're just going to keep it concise and brief. So pretty much what's happening is dominance is picking up steam quite fast, because we need to keep in mind, since July 8th, after dropping below this trend line I drew for you guys, we have pretty much seen the dominance just going down, down, and down, and down, and we of course came down to the likes of 60.43%. What's quite interesting is 60.43% is such a psychological level as well, because if we drop below here, we'd be starting to retest earlier this year levels for the dominance. So and maybe that's the reason why we have seen the dominance go up. But pretty much what this tells, I said this in my HBAR update as well, if you did end up watching. If not, totally fine. You do tend to see money going back from altcoins into BTC. But let's see what happens. Obviously, we are starting to see, the dominance showing quite a significant amount of strength in such a short span of time. You don't want to see the dominance going above this range. Very, very important. We don't want to see this going above. We want to continue to see the dominance remain below here. Then that would be a good sign. So if the dominance breaks above this range, which it actually saw this wake up to the 62.5%. If it actually fills this and starts heading up to the likes of 63.4%, there could be more pain for altcoins to come. If you're looking at BTC, Bitcoin's looking quite well, actually. Bitcoin barely has seen a retracement. Bitcoin actually went up compared to our last night's update. So this is something, it kind of starts to make sense for everyone as to what's really happening. So if you're looking at Kaspa's price, of course, it is going to have an impact to the broader market. We have seen a retracement, and if you want to put this into perspective, let's take a look at the hourly time frame. You can see this for yourself. Hourly time frame, we are looking at a decrease of about 16.2%. Pretty much a very similar pattern playing out across a lot of altcoins, but we're still in this blue zone. Very, very important level, of course, for us. Used to be a major resistance, as we know. And that exact same resistance pretty much playing as a support for us right now. We actually wicked down to 9.5 cents, but we are starting to see the price picking up again. We need to see the price hold around this range, critical level, psychological level, of course. If it's able to do that, I am targeting 10.2 cents to be the next level, and start heading back up to where we were. So pay very close attention to the dominance next few hours. Very critical. We'll see what happens. We'll keep you guys covered. Let me know down below what you guys think. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.